civil society organizations, perhaps more and more of our senators and congressmen will be on our side. Yun ang importante kasi they should know that 70% are pro-health. Kaya lang, hindi tayo masyadong maingay, hindi tayo solid. No, we've got to really pull ourselves together and really work hard for it, including the media, not only civil society organizations, but also the media. Now, for the state taxes going to the Senate, and it will be going to the Senate, it will be one of the priority bills of the Aquino government, and they intend to finish or pass the law by September. Kasi after September, they will be talking about the budget already. And then by January or February, wala na pumapasok yan kasi election time na, di ba? So they intend to finish the state tax bill by September. Now, what should we do in order to push for the state tax bill na appropriate or something that is pro-health? First, we should join hands together. We should bombard the media as well as show in the streets that we are pro-health. In the media, we can show the consequences of getting sick, like what is happening to us. We can show also the effects in the economy, the burden of the healthcare costs that the Department of Health is having because of the smoking-related sicknesses. And by the way, talking about the state tax bill, do you know that if the amended Abaya bill, not the original Abaya bill, the amended Abaya bill was the one passed in Congress, will be the same bill that will be passed in the Senate kapag yun din ang pumunta. Do you know that the cost of the leading brand of cigarette brand M after 10 years is only about 75 pesos after 10 years. So, thinking about it, ngayon, yung brand M na yun ay about 40 pesos pa, 35 to 40 pesos. No, ganun yata ang halaga ngayon, diba? 10 years ago, ang halaga ng party sa SM is 20 pesos. Ngayon, 45 pesos, almost the same as the cigarettes. 10 years later, magkano na kaya yun? Baka 100 na or 90 pesos ang cigarettes, 75 pesos. In short, baka masyadong affordable pa rin ang cigarette. If that is the case, will it really address the health concerns of the people? Diba? So, kailangan kailangan talaga we should be vigilant. Like what was shown in this slide, we should be vigilant din it. Ang provision nila ngayon sa state tax ay nilagyan nila ng 10-year freeze or within 10 years fix yung increase ng tax. So, pagka nagdadanon, sabi ko nga kanila, 75 pesos na yung pinakamahal na cigarettes. Kapag nagdadanon, talo pa rin tayo, it's not still pro-health. So, what should we do? We are pushing for a periodic review in the bill. We want to add a provision there that in case it will not satisfy the health targets and the economic targets of the bill, there should be a periodic review that will allow the congressman or the Department of Finance to review again the law